Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. And today I'm going to show you guys how I turned an oversized t-shirt into a dress for just $12.99 with no sewing machine required. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your shirt and you want to turn it inside out, and you want to make sure it is flat as possible. Then you want to take a dress that already fits you well and you want to lay that directly on top of your shirt. So next I took some pins and I put them on the outline of the dress so that everything stayed in place. Then you want to take your needle and your thread and you want to get to sewing. So when I sewed the dress, I went around each edge 3 times just to make sure everything was secure. And if you have a sewing machine, you can just get it done a lot faster with your sewing machine. I finished this dress in under a day, so it wasn't that bad doing it with my hands. The dress is not see-through. I had to bring in the waist because it was too big. So the waist is extra snatched. I don't know. It's not that short. About 5'6". My knees are way down there. You could also pair it with a jean jacket. Wait. I don't rush. Slow touch. I look like Wizard Kelly. Exactly what the fuck I get. Not putting it on. So anyway, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.